619. Yeah, rush with me coconut water, man.
Good.
Sweet. Sweet and good.
Feeling good. Best drink in the world. So these drops are made with your classic shredded, grated cocoa.
Cut up coconuts. Cut them up.
A lot of people have asked me about the drops, like when are we going to do a drops episode, so drops dropping soon.
Some go up there. Where they when them people there, they got that beast ratty. And people get crazy. Ask me about it now. Oh, I miss that yard. I should be get coconut drops too. I say, oh, you know, it might be the first, but not the last, you know. Uno. Uno when you're coming back. Nobody. Uno.
Ratty like the dry coconut straight up. Yeah, that's good. Nice and oily. Yeah. Nice and oily when you chew it up.
Yeah. Still put it in the back same way. Like nothing no trouble. Take it out from the shell and people would know say, oh, it come out from the shell, that you can eat. Come out from the shell.
I stole a little piece.
Puppy likes it too.
When they eat it, then teeth don't bother them, dry coconut, you know. Ratty. People don't know to them pull out. They don't know to them take out of the shell.
No.
Yeah, take out back out of the shell and walk out of place it in the back. Like you can't see nothing. And I say, oh, I like that style. See farm up there. I come take it up, close it in and say, oh shit. How this happen? You don't know nothing happen, man. I just work sire. So then we see them and look for them and say, oh, Matthew, them don't pull out that skin, no? They fucking pull out, man. You have to know. Don't imagine it. I could fucking believe this.
Can't believe what?
My rag.
Oh, what happened?
I just got over this man and bail, you know. And it dry already.
Ah.
I've cut them up. Put them in the plate.
There's a new style of cutting. Haven't seen you do this one.
I said the coconut drop next one.
Okay.
Some of them cut finer. Some cut finer. Some.
Yes, sir. Depends more than I touch it, you know. I see all the amount to cut up already. You have to cut up everything fine, you know, Matthew. Like that, you know.
All the same size. Same
Yeah,
style.
man, I want to tell you folk about coconut drop. And think coconut drop I want something more cooked so. Take time, but I cut it like fowl peas, you know. Like that. So we cut fowl peas, you know. People say, when do that and finger no get cooked up. You have to be scared. And the finger get some fucking cooked up.
And cut up.
Yeah, man.
You can't go to a doctor.
Tell some of them to not try when they see me do my yard and you go back. When I go back home, you know, and you get fucked.
This
Yeah,
one?
you can't go to a doctor.
I'd say maybe with the machete stuff, this one's probably okay to try at home.
No, I tell them to not have to try it. Play with them finger like me.
Oh yeah, well most people use cutting boards.
Yeah.
Most people have those. I know you don't like to use them, so.
Cutting board.
Yeah.
Me I want that one.
Oh yeah?
One.
I've never seen you
one.
use that ever.
The
I use it, man.
Really?
Orange one.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Well, I've never seen it. Pretty cool hat, dude.
Oh.
And I put on drops, you know. And ginger, I do it, you know, Matthew.
Okay.
I have to boil it down,
This is a new one for me. I've never even tasted it.
That's why the girl tell the people them, oh, we're not going anywhere today, me and Mokko, you know. We are going to do something, but if you want to go, you can go on. If you want to watch, you can watch. And they're sure.
You don't want to watch, you don't watch. You want to watch, you watch.
Watch me watch.
You want to watch, you don't watch. Watch, you watch.
Coconut done, everything done.
Ooh.
Coconut drop.
Coconut left. Wow.
Killing it.
That's a fucking work, man.
Yeah, you're doing good, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, my swift man. Yeah, not come up.
Boiling pieces of chopped up coconut.
These are for me today, you know.
Nice ginger. So the coconut's in there just boiling away?
No, I go boil out. I go big same way.
Oh.
But I go boil, go right down.
Interesting.
Like chill.
Okay.
So you have to put ginger with it.
It's a good technique in the little bag. Keep it clean.
Cook it up. You don't want to be drop out. You want to read ginger in there, and the coconut drops. People eat ginger and coconut.
Those two go together well.
Ginger.
Fit together, yeah. Ginger goes with so many things well. A lot of Asian cooking has it, you know? Boom.
All things come now mix up with ginger, every color. Ginger, some is white, some is yellow.
That coconut sinks pretty quick.
Maybe. And that now I wouldn't go cook with it. I go boil. And can always fucking feel like something in the whole evening. And that one go on now, Now some salt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we put salt in a coconut cake now. I put my drop and put salt in a coconut drop, you know?
Mm-hmm.
They look like fucking.
Doesn't look like much yet. Just looks like some water.
Salt we do. Not so salt, you know? People I think, this pile of salt I'm throwing in fucking things I did not even salt. Taste it by your hand, what you say?
Oh.
Taste it. No salt.
No. Oh, 1 spoon for something that big?
Eh, but that big people that say, oh, you put so many salt in there, never care a taste. Cause salt them weak.
Yeah.
And white man give me some in the corner there too, you know. Tell the whole salt from one place, all that seed, blah blah. I don't know shit.
Maybe it's from the Dead Sea or something?
Yeah, man, if I did.
You have the package?
The package? No.
Okay.
Then tell me. On German, they come here and then inside the salt look a little good and take it way back.
Some fancy salt. You don't run into that every day.
No, sir.
Or a lot of people like the Tibetan sea salt or Tibetan pink salt. It's like pink color, tastes the same way, but.
You know, then say to Ras,
Wow.
me hear this morning from the radio news. Black rice good for cancer, you know.
Black rice.
Black rice. Black rice. It's there in England a lot. Me them attack and they're telling it, man. Yeah, that for cancer, black rice. And also, it's in Jamaica too. So then, like man take a beer down at them place there. I tell the radio man near Macleod saying if he eat more rice. But a black rice, that good for cancer. Nobody know where anybody have. But that the one way. They say it's a little expensive, you know, but it's in Jamaica too.
Yeah, I've had it before. I've made it before. I think it takes a little longer to cook. Whenever I've tried it, it comes out really hard, but
Yeah,
it's
then
still
say,
good.
then say that me hear the woman I give recommend it this morning, sir. Yeah.
Bubbling. Oh, yeah. It's cool.
You're going to go cook.
Alright.
That's good. Make that one.
Yeah, I see. Hope you had a long night or what?
And I got name back for it,
Doesn't look that comfortable, but he's making it work somehow.
Mm.